Hi guys, welcome to Mike's Garage. Listen, I had a little issue with my 218 Murano. I wanted to just tell you about it. I already took care of the problem. Um, I had a few different vehicles now with all-wheel disc brakes, and typically 40,000 miles, you start to get the front ones get worn down to about 30%, and the back ones are usually 40-50%. The front ones always wear out faster because they have the heaviness of the engine in the front, so you expect it to wear out a little faster. So the issue was about 38,000 miles. I've had it for going on 4 years now. Uh, I started getting a grinding from the left rear brake. Took it apart, and the left rear brake pads were worn down to the metal, and they ruined the rotor. Now, what I found out, and I realized after reading the manual again, it has a braking system that when the car is stopped on an uphill or stopped on a downhill, it keeps the brakes on. When you release your foot off the brake, it keeps the brakes on until you step on the gas. Then it actually drags the car for a little bit before the braking system releases. That keeps you from drifting back into the car behind you or drifting into the car in front of you or something like that, whatever their safety thing was. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. If you have a Murano or I think a Rogue, they all have that braking system where it keeps the brakes on for you so you don't drift backwards when you're on an incline and you release the brake and you're trying to go forward. So keep an eye on the brakes. The rear brakes wear out faster than the front, which is kind of unusual for a four-wheel disc brake system. So keep an eye on that, and hopefully that's a helpful tip. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage, and subscribe or give me a like. It's always good to get a like, but I'd like to have more subscribers too. Appreciate it. Everybody stay safe out there. Wash your hands, sanitize. Thanks.